Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to get the best ideas for self stories for Instagram. Simply because you don't want to copy someone else and you want to get even more views because your idea is original, I'm going to show you the real source. Not going to be on TikTok, it's not going to be on Instagram, it's going to be on Pinterest. So when you come over here on Pinterest, you want to go on the lower left corner and click on the magnifying glass. Then go on the search bar and I want you to look for self story ideas. Okay, for Instagram, you see someone already searched for. So this means that people already know. Do you see what I'm even talking about? 4,000 likes, 20,000 likes. Scroll down, 6,000 likes. This is only viral ideas, my dear friends. Pro tip, you don't have to go on TikTok and scroll for half an hour or go on the Reels and scroll for half an hour. This is what I'm talking about. You come over here and you get only the prime ideas. You see that 2.8k likes. It's not only the good thing, you will find out what doesn't work as well. Look at this, 40k, 10k. Now you guys understand how this actually works and why you should pay very close attention to the source of information where you're getting. This is why you're going to like this video and subscribe to the channel.